Okay, see, today we're gonna have a special drink in store for you. We're gonna be making an old fashioned. Our ingredients are Michter's Bourbon. I like their rye, but with an old fashioned, you gotta go old fashioned. Bourbon it is. We have Angostura bitters. We're going to use a single orange rind, a single orange peel, a single orange wedge, a single orange skin.
Rind.
We're gonna use a single orange rind. Next, we have Maraschino cherries. We have a 2-to-1 jigger, and we have some simple syrup. Let's do this. First up, you're going to pour 2 whole ounces of bourbon into your glass, just like so. You're going to do about 5 dashes of bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it gets a little messy, hey, that's old fashioned. That's how they did it back in the day. That's what rags are for. You just wipe it right back up and put that towel on your clean clothes. Next up, we're going to do about 1 ounce of simple syrup. You could use sugar cubes on this. That is actually the preferred method. I couldn't find any, so simple syrup it is. And next up, we're going to go with the orange rind. So I'm going to take my trusty peeler here and bada bing, bada boom, filmometography at its finest. Magic touch with this, we're going to bend and we're going to squeeze to get some of the juices out of the rind. And this is another secret tip that I have. We're going to light the bottom to help bring out all those flavors. Just like so. Finally, we're gonna take our Maraschino cherries. You go with 2, but you know what? I'm feeling a little bold today. I'm gonna go with 3. Pour those in. Next up, we're gonna go with our ice cubes that are quickly melting. 1 and a 2. And this is a contemporary touch by yours truly, Magic Mike. I'm going to spice it up with some ginger ale. To the top. All right, put that there. We give it a little whirl. And there you have it. A Magic Mike Old Fashioned. Woo! That's magic, baby. I'm Magic Mike, and you keep in touch with yourself. This is Magic Mike, and as my father says, you keep touching yourself.
That's not what it
That's
Keep in touch with yourself.
I'm Magic Mike, and as my father says, you keep touching yourself. I said the same thing?
Keep in touch.